Welcome to StudyKwik. Today question is: two aircraft take off from station X and Y 500 nautical miles apart. Both aircraft fly towards each other and meet in 44 minutes. If the first aircraft flies 3/5 of total distance, find the ground speed of both the aircraft. Let us solve it step by step. First, we convert 44 minutes into hours, which equals approximately 0.733 hours. To find the combined ground speed of the two aircraft, we divide the total distance of 500 nautical miles by the time taken to meet. This gives about 682 knots. Therefore, the distance flown by first aircraft is equal to 3 divided by 5 multiplied by 500 is equal to 300 nautical miles. And the distance flown by second aircraft is equal to 500 minus 300 is equal to 200 nautical miles.